Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page using Leadpages software in less than 5 minutes. So now why do I say use Leadpages? Now Leadpages is one of the most standard funnel building softwares available out there in the marketplace. Leadpages is cheap compared to other funnel building softwares like ClickFunnels or Kartra, and it's very beginner friendly. And if you're an affiliate market or an online business owner, then Leadpages is the software that you need to look out for. Also, Leadpages is very friendly in terms of integrations with your email autoresponders or even your tracking softwares or also even your payment systems. This is very easy and at the same time very affordable for any online beginners. So let's get straight to my screen and start building a landing page. So this is the Leadpages dashboard, and you can see this is my account. Now, if you want to get your Leadpages account, then you can always check out my affiliate link for 14 days free trial of Leadpages, and you can always use Leadpages for free for 14 days, and then you can move on to your paid plan. Now, in terms of payment plan, you can always go for the standard plan and not for the pro or the conversion plan. Now, standard plan comes at $49 per month. If you really have the budget, then you can go for the annual plan. Where you can save almost $150. So if you look at the Leadpages dashboard over here, you can see the landing pages. So when you click on the landing pages over here, and you can see the different landing pages that I have created for my affiliate marketing business, and you can go and click on create new landing pages. Now in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to build a squeeze page, or which is called an opt-in page. And from there, you can also build a bridge page or a thank you page based on your business requirements. So let us see how to build a basic squeeze page. So I'm just going to click on conversion rate, and over here you can see the different templates available that are converting best right now for the users of Leadpages. So when you scroll down, you can see the super basic squeeze page. So I'm just going to click on start building. So I'm just going to give it as basic page as the name and click on continue. So you can see this is the most simplest page that you can see, which is very good for conversions. So the more simple and more clear and more direct the landing pages, the better the conversion rate is. So you can always change the title, the subtitle, and the button and the call to actions based on your business requirement. Now I'm going to change the headlines just for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm just going to change this as free affiliate marketing PDF case study. So if you want to change the color of this, just highlight over here, bold it, italics it, or underline it, or whatever you want. And here you can change the font and text size, the line spacing. You can also change the headline type to make it bolder. And after that, you can just click on the close button over here. And over here, I'm just going to change this subheadline a bit. Ready to get your free PDF case study. So you can change the color, the font size, italicize it, bold it. So after that, you can check over here which is the button, and here you can see the edit pop-up. So once you click on this button, actually it takes us to a pop-up where the user is or the visitor is asked to complete the information. So what is the information that is going to be collected from the user? It's going to be the email address, the name, or whatever it might be based on the business requirement. So I would rather suggest you to go for the minimal information collected from the users. Always go only for the email address and not necessarily the name. The lesser the information that you're going to collect, the more the conversion rate is. Before that, I'm just going to change this button headline. So get the bundle. Instead of bundle, I'm just going to get the case study. So once done, just click on the close button, and over here you can go and click on the edit pop-up, and over here you can just change the text to your requirement for the business. So almost there. Please complete this form to gain instant access. So please complete this form to gain to get the case study. So once done, just click on the close, and here you can change it to where should we send your free photo bundle. So you can change it to where should we send your free case study, something like that. So after that, you can always close it, and if you want to do any changes with respect to the bold or italicized or font size, you can always do it. So by highlighting just this whole thing, and here you can change it. So next is the email address. Now this is called as form, and if you go to the widgets over here, you can see the form. Now this is the form. Now when you click once inside this, you can see this edit your form. Now this form can be edited, and you can insert fields like the name. So you can just click on add a field, and here you can add the name. So you can just click on this first name, and you can see this first name coming up over here. If you want this first name to go up, you can just click on done, and you can just click on this top arrow. Now you can see it has changed. First name is at the top and the email is at the bottom. So that's how you can do this changes. So for now, I'm just going to delete this, and to make it more simpler. So after that, you can always click on the integrations. Now this is going to be integrated with your autoresponder. Now for that, I will show you another tutorial video how to integrate Leadpages with your different email autoresponders. So after that, you can always go to the actions. Now here, it's the most important thing. Now if you want the user or the visitor, once they enter the information like email address and name, where should they go to the next step? So whether you want to take them to the thank you page, which is the default thank you page that Leadpages is going to offer, or if you want to take them to another bridge page in case you have a video or some other explanation that you're going to give. So you can always take them to a bridge page and then to a thank you page. It all depends upon your business requirements. So for this example, I'm just going to give it as a landing page. Now in this landing page, I'm going to just integrate it with the bridge page. So I have already created a bridge page called Google Bridge Page. I'm just going to click on the Google Bridge Page, and now it is going to take them to a bridge page, and from there the user will get their lead magnet. So this is how you do it, and once you've done it, you can always click on the save and close button over here and click on the close button over here. So here I'm just going to change the send me the bundle. Instead of send me the bundle, send me the free case study. So that's how it's going to be. Click on save and close. So after that, this thing is done. You can always go and click on publish. So once published, you can always see that on your dashboard. So you can see over here the basic page which we have created now is visible and it is published. And over here below, we can see the Google Bridge page which I have connected with the opt-in page, which is a squeeze page. So this is the squeeze page that I have created. So here you can see the lead meter over here. When you click on this, click on the view all, and here you can see 13 of the 14 checks passed. So this is a checklist from Leadpages that automatically checks all the necessary parameters. So you can see the layout, it's very good, and call to action, it says that CT has more than 24 characters, so you have to have your call to action less than 24 characters, and button is easily readable, call to action text drives action, readability, opt-in form, so everything is good. So once the user enters the email address and clicks on the send me the free case study, he's taken to the bridge page. Now this is the bridge page that we have integrated right now. So this is the Google Bridge page, and this is just for an example, just don't take it. This is just an example. So this is how a bridge page looks it. And from the bridge page, the user is taken to the next step, whether it is going to be your offer or your website or whatever it might be. So in this basic squeeze page, I'm going to show you two important things that is to be looked into. So once you click on this case study, edit pop-up, and over here you can click on the edit integrations from the form. So this is the form. So over here you can click on the integrations where these details have to go, where the email address and the name has to go. That is going to go into your autoresponder. Now just click on this add integration and click the autoresponder that you have, whether it is Available or Getresponse, and click on it and then just connect it. And another step is that here you can see whether if you want to take them to a thank you page, then you can always click the send the visitor to the default Leadpages thank you pages instead of sending them to a bridge page. So once you click over this I button over here, you can see the thank you page over here, which is very simple, and it might not help you out, but this is just a simple thank you page. And after that, you can always click on the save and close button once the changes have been done. And at last, you have always need to do the update button. So always, whenever you do the changes in the squeeze page or opt-in page, always do an click on the update button. Now, if you want to create a lead magnet using Leadpages, then it's always possible. So just go over here, you can click on the edit integrations under the pop-up form, and over here you can go to the actions button over here, and you can see an email, a file, or link to visitors who complete the form. So once they complete the form, you can always send them the lead magnet. Now, how to add this lead magnet? You first need to go to Leadpages, and over here you can see the lead magnets button over here. Click on this lead magnets button, and you can always create unlimited lead magnet for free without partner attract.io. So just click on create new lead magnet, and under this you can send the sender name, which will be your name, and sender email, and the email subject line, the download button text, and the URL. Now you have to get this URL from attract.io. So here, this is the attract.io platform, and here you can see the different types of lead magnets that can be created. You can see pick your lead magnet type, whether it's going to be checklist, resource guide, case study, or how to guide. So in this case, it is going to be a case study. So you can always create a lead magnet in the form of case study, and you can use that link, right? You can get that link from here, and you can use it over here, and you can click on the save button after entering the body content. And once saving it, you can go back to your squeeze page and it will appear over here, and you can always add that directly. So that's how you add the lead magnet, and you always need to save and close. Please don't forget that. So this is how you create a landing page using Leadpages in less than 5 minutes. One important feature of Leadpages is that the landing pages are already mobile optimized, whereas in other softwares, it is not so. Now, let me tell you what it is. So this is the basic squeeze page which we have created right now. Now, at the bottom of this page, you can see over here, it is showing as desktop. Now, this is the version that will be showed in the desktop mode. Now, when you click on the tablet mode, now you can see the squeeze page, which is shrinked to fit the tablet size. And when you click on the phone mode, now you can see this squeeze page that has been optimized to the mobile version. Now, the most important thing is that always make sure that your button or the call to action is always above the fold. So the visitor need not scroll below to click on the button. So now this is a perfect example of the button above the fold. So I hope you got real value out of this Leadpages tutorial of how to create the landing page in less than 5 minutes. Now, if you have not got your Leadpages account, then you can always check the link in the description box below to get your 14-day free trial of Leadpages account. So with that being said, let's meet in another video. Until then, bye.